Good morning, all first year students. Today we will discuss the new point of carbohydrate chapter, mutarotation. Mutarotation. First see the mutarotation. The mutarotation is shown optical active compound. Now glucose solution dissolve in the water, you'll get the two isomers. See, you can take the sugar, dissolve in the water, then getting the two isomers, that alpha and the beta isomers of the glucose solution. The isomer is getting alpha D glucose and the beta D glucose. Now that optical, this alpha and beta D glucose is show the optical activity and it shows the optical rotations. Now the mutarotation, how we'll check the mutarotations? The mutarotation can be defined as change in specific optical rotation. Now mutarotation is defined as the change in specific optical rotation representing the interconversion of alpha and beta form of D glucose to an equilibrium value. Now see, it's a very simple change in specific optical rotation, interconversion of alpha and beta isomer of D glucose at equilibrium value. Now interconversion of alpha, when sugar dissolve in the water, they get the two isomers, alpha and the beta. One should be rotate left hand side, one should be rotate right hand side, one should be having the leo rotatory, one should be having the dextro rotatory. That is a compound rotated in the plane polarized right. Those compound having the shows optical active, such compound is called mutarotations. Now here the optical rotation, the specific optical rotations in the mutarotations. Mutarotation, change in specific optical rotation which alpha and beta D glucose, where changes take place at equilibrium. कहाँ पे? At equilibrium. equilibrium and is called as mutarotations. In the mutarotation, change in specific optical rotations at the equilibrium. किसका? Alpha and beta D glucose, they are representing the interconversion. Changes take place in the specific optical rotation. Alpha का different होगा, beta का different, but at equilibrium, the specific optical rotation should be the constant. The same is called as mutarotations. Now see, change in the specific optical rotations representing the interconversion of alpha and beta form of D glucose to an equilibrium value. Now write down the equilibrium. How we show the equilibrium value? See, here is write down alpha D glucose. Now here is the D glucose. Yeah. Solution. Now here is the changes take place. How the changes take place? Beta D glucose of specific operation. The changes take place in alpha D glucose. See initially here alpha. Now there are two anomers, alpha and beta glucose have different optical rotations. अभी ये two anomers है alpha and beta, they are having the different optical rotation. The specific optical rotation freshly prepared alpha anomers, अभी ये freshly prepared alpha anomers है, freshly prepared alpha anomers. Now this their optical rotation is, specific optical rotation is 100.2 degree Celsius, that's denoted as plus. This shows in the dextrorotatory sign, its sign. Now here is a freshly prepared alpha D glucose molecule solution. The specific operation is shows 112.2 degree, gradually changes attain to at equilibrium. Now these are the equilibrium mixture. These are the, ये क्या बोलेंगे आप इसको? Now you can say here a simple language, equilibrium mixture. Why you can say mixture? Because it's having the both alpha and beta, they are the mixture, and here is the optical rotation should be the 52.5 degree is shown, okay, and gradually changes at equilibrium. The constant value, this value should be the constant 52 degree Celsius, okay. Then decrease in the presence of alkali, decrease the specific optical rotation rapidly. At the equilibrium is a 52.5 degree, is specific optical rotation is gradually decreased in the presence of alkali. Now where? In the presence of alkali. Now is decreased 18.7 degree Celsius. Now this is called the mutarotations. Now see, what is mutarotation? Change the specific optical rotation. Where is specific optical rotation? Now this specific optical rotation change of changes take place at equilibrium mixture. The specific optical rotation is a constant 52.5 degrees Celsius, and in the presence of alkali rapidly decrease the specific optical rotation of beta D glucose is 18 and is called as optical. Freshly prepared glucose of alpha anomer show 112.2 degrees Celsius because sugar dissolved in the water they get the two anomers, that alpha and beta isomers, okay, is called the specific optical. How they are, how you can write down the alpha and beta anomers of glucose have different optical rotation. Specific optical rotation is so different. Now the specific optical rotation, now here is a, in the mutarotation, the specific optical rotation of a freshly prepared glucose is alpha anomers, that is alpha D glucose. See that this, the specific optical rotation 112.2 degree is shows. The gradually changes take place, which, now the next, yeah, alpha D is which gradually changes and attain an equilibrium, with an constant value of specific optical rotation is 52.7. Some books show the 52.5 degree it shows. Now here, in the presence of alkali, the specific optical rotation is rapidly decrease, is 18.7 degree. It's happen in the mutarotation. Are you understand how the changes take place theoretically? And the C, glucose having the two anomers, alpha and the beta anomers, they are representing changing the specific optical rotations. At equilibrium it should be the constant. ये equilibrium में constant रहेंगे. Now what happen? Freshly prepared solution you get two anomers, alpha and beta. ये alpha and the beta दो मिले. Then what happen? The freshly prepared alpha D glucose solution having the specific optical rotation is 112.2 degree. Gradually changes take place at equilibrium value or at equilibrium mixture. D glucose shows 52.5 degree. In the presence of alkali, beta D anomer rapidly decrease the specific optical rotation as compared to the alpha is specific is 18.7. At equilibrium both should be the constant. Okay, both should be the constant. Earlier, just see the definition. Change in specific, see, change in specific optical rotation representing interconversion of alpha and beta form of D-glucose at equilibrium mixture is called as mutarotations. Now see, mutarotation, change in the optical rotations of alpha and beta D glucose is changes. They are representing the specific optical rotation at equilibrium. It should be the constant, is called mutarotation. See how alpha D glucose solution shows specific rotation 1.2. How will they obtain? Freshly prepared solution get alpha D shows specific optical rotation 112.2 degrees Celsius, which gradually changes where at equilibrium D glucose 52.2, it's a constant. In the presence of alkali, rapidly decrease the specific optical rotation, which beta D glucose 18.7 is called mutarotation. Okay. Now the next point is, one point is, remember epimer. Now one point is, remember, is epimer is so important point. Then go for the chemical reactions. Now you see the next point, epimerization of the glucose. Epimerization of the epimers. Epimers. If two monosaccharide differ from each other. What is epimer? If two monosaccharides differ from each other in their, very important, in their configuration, around a single specific carbon. Okay. Two monosaccharide molecule different from each other because their configurations around the single specific carbon atom. The configuration changes a carbon, the carbon number 3 or 4, the changes take place of the two monosaccharide molecules. Okay. Isomer, the isomer form as a result of interconversion, interchange बोलेंगे अपन, interchange of OH and the H on carbon atom 2, 3, 4 of glucose are known as epimers. Now what is epimers? Two monosaccharide molecule, the configuration change, single specific carbon atom. The which configuration change? Interchange of H and OH molecule of the single molecule. Those are the right hand side, those shift in the left hand side, those are on the left side, those shift in the right side, and so is called as the epimer. Now glucose epimer are now important. The glucose epimer are galactose and mannose. Now galactose is also monosaccharide, OH can be changed, and the mannose OH specific carbon change as compared to the glucose. Now these are the glucose epimer is the galactose and the mannose is important. Now draw the first structure of glucose. Now अभी epimer glucose के दो epimers है, तो first you can draw the structure. Yes, glucose, draw like that. You can draw your own style, but as per formula should be, molecule formula should be the same. Now see, see the bond joined to the carbon, give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now these are the number. Now this is the C. Now that compound called as the D-glucose. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Glucose. इसको बोलते हैं D-glucose. Now the glucose is having two epimers, galactose and isomer. What is epimers of the glucose? Configuration change around a single carbon. अभी नंबर दिए R1, इसमें अभी एक कार्बन है, that one carbon changes the configuration. They are interconversion. Configuration change means interconversion. OH इधर जाएगा and H should be shift opposite direction. Now see the example of galactose. CHOH. Now the interconversion change place is the carbon number 4, H and the OH. Then the carbon number 4. Now here is a carbon number 4. Now here H and OH. Afterwards OH and H, then CH2OH. Now you can give the first number 1, 2, 3. Now this 4, 5, 6. Now here is the 4. Now glucose is galactose. Change the interconversion. See that glucose ka OH is right hand side and galactose OH in the left hand side. The interconversion check in the specific single carbon, that called as the epimer. The glucose epimer is the galactose. Now this is the structure of galactose, hence it is the epimer of the glucose. Specific carbon change the interconversion H and OH. See the glucose 4 number OH, which side? That is a right side, and this galactose OH, which side? That is a left side, that is a epimer. Now the one should be the mannose. Now epimer shows 2, 3 and the 4. Now the mannose 2 and 4, not 3, 2 and 4. Now see, अभी ये draw the structure of mannose. You know it. नंबर दे दो चेंजेस का पे. Observe very properly. Compare the structure of D-glucose. Again I told you, ये क्या mannose, don't write beta. It's a structure of mannose. Now here see the, now give the number 1. Now these 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The interconversions take place where? Carbon number 2 and the 4. Now see, compared to the glucose, OH in the right hand side and OH should be the left hand side. These happen in the mannose. What is two monosaccharide differ from each other? ये दोनों monosaccharide differ from each other, एक दूसरे से अलग है, not same. How they are the different? A single specific carbon atom. कहाँ पे changes take place होंगे? A single specific carbon atom. How they are changes take place? कैसे changes take place होंगे? The interconversion of OH and the H molecule of specific carbon atom. Now as compared to the these two, see that two carbon, glucose and the mannose. ये अपन forget about D glucose, only write down the glucose. ये glucose का structure है और ये mannose. These are the two monosaccharide. ये example कौन सा है? These are the monosaccharide examples. Okay. Now they are differ to each other. ये different है. Now how they are differ? The specific carbon atom is change take place. अभी specific कौन सा? As compared to the glucose, mannose is changes take place of specific carbon atom number 2. Interchanges of hydroxy group is change as compared to the glucose of different side of is called as a epimer. The glucose epimer or the mannose. Similarly, another example. Now ये भूल जाओ. These are the two monosaccharide, glucose and the galactose. These are the example of monosaccharide. They are the two monosaccharide. How the glucose epimer is the galactose? How the changes? Specific carbon. Now as compared to the galactose, here is a specific carbon changes take place. 4. OH side is interchange take place opposite direction of the glucose, and that is called the epimer. Now the carbon number 4, they are the monosaccharide but differ from the configurations of एक ही single carbon पे ही changes होंगे, is called epimers. Are you understand? Hence it is the glucose is epimer of the galactose and the mannose. Okay. Now always ask in the annual examination. Concentrate very properly. Now here see the ये हो गया इसका. I will show the changes can same color is, you may be confusions. Now here is the red color indicate is the changes in the this two structure. Now red color changes is which? The glucose epimer of mannose. Specific carbon, which carbon changes take place? Carbon number 2, that is a specific. क्या चेंज होगा? इंटर कन्वर्जन. क्या होगा? इंटर changes the hydroxy group and the H group. अभी ग्लूकोज में इंटर चेंजेस है, OH रेड कलर में बताया है. द mannose carbon number 2 is interchanges take place OH and the ये OH ग्लूकोज में राइट साइड में ये डिफरेंट इंटरकन्वर्ज चेंज द स्पेसिफिक कार्बन 2 एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड द इपिमर. हो गया ये ग्लूकोज टू mannose. नाउ ब्लैक में अभी Now here glucose to galactose. ये glucose epimer of the galactose. They are the two different monosaccharide. Different है where specific एक ही स्पेसिफिक कार्बन पे चेंजेस टेक प्लेस. नाउ यार ग्लूकोज कार्बन पे क्या है, कार्बन नंबर 4. कंपेयर करो गैलेक्टोज का, डोंट कंसीडर दिस रेड वन. नाउ कंपेयर करो दिस, यू शुड कंपेयर, गिव द नंबर्स, ड्रॉ द स्ट्रक्चर. नाउ द कार्बन नंबर, विच कार्बन नंबर, कार्बन number, carbon atom number 4. Write down here atom, you may be right. Okay, carbon number 4, the changes take place. Which changes कौन सा, inter changes of OH and H, and hence the glucose epimer of mannose and galactose. Are you understand? Okay. Now you will see the now next. Okay, next time you can see the chemical reactions.